In this video, you will learn how to get GPS location data in Unity. First, let's take a look at what actually GPS is. It's a short form of Global Positioning System, originally Navstar GPS. GPS is more accurately defined as a navigational system that relies on a satellite signal to show an object location. GPS receiver required signals from at least 3 satellites to calculate latitude and longitude. If get a signal from 4 satellites, it can also calculate altitude. So when you see a set of coordinates like this or this, you are reading a latitude and longitude. Latitude represent north-south location and longitude represent east-west location. By combining both, you can pinpoint any spot on the surface of the earth. These units are expressed in degree. Why? Because earth is sphere. If you would like to know more about it, let me know in comments. Right now, let's jump into the Unity to get the GPS location data. Creating a scene folder and script folder inside the GPS location for the asset management. Create a script GPS location and a game object and assign it to it. Let's remove the update function and create a coroutine GPS log. Input.location.isEnabledByUser. By this, we can check if the location service is available on the device or not. If it's not available, we're gonna break. Start the location service. We are declaring a max is equal to 20. That's basically a wait time, and checking for the initialization status and the wait time. We're gonna wait for a while to initialize the service. If location service not started in 20 seconds, we will exit. Here we are checking if the access to the GPS values are granted or not. Create a method update GPS data. We are going to call this method every second so we can get the values of GPS on each second. Here we are adding a check to make sure service is running or not. Now getting a GPS values code is completed. We will get the GPS values and assign it to the text fields to show up on the screen. Adding a text field for each GPS value. Assigning GPS status. Assign each GPS value to the text field. Latitude can be accessed from Input.location.isEnabledByUser. Convert floor type latitude into string to assign the text field. Follow the same process for the other values. Get the GPS value, convert it to the string, and assign to the text field. Until now, we haven't called GPS data nor GPS log. We need to call update GPS data every second. I'm using invoke repeating by giving the method name and call this method after 0.5 seconds and afterward repeat it after every second. Until now we haven't called the GPS log. GPS log will be called only once. Let's start the GPS log coroutine in the start method. And here we're done with the script. Now making a few changes to use on a mobile phone. Switching a platform to the iOS. Adding an event system. These are the text fields that need to be assigned. Adding a few text fields so we can differentiate the GPS values easily. Assign the relevant text field to the script. Before making a build, this is a very important part of the location service. We need to define location usage description. You can find it in the player setting. Basically, this field tells the user why and how you are going to use the location service. Here we are done with the location service. Let's create a build and test on the device. Running the app on iPhone. Now it's showing the device current location.